Well, hi there. This is Scott Powell with Bud Smail Mercedes-Benz in Greensburg, Pennsylvania. Here with another one of our little instructional videos. This is how to pair your Android phone to any of our newer Mercedes-Benz vehicles. This would be for C-Class 2022 and newer, GLC 2023 and newer, S-Class 2021 and newer, and pretty much everything made after 2024. Here's how we do it. Start with your Android phone. Go to Pair New Device. Tap right there. Then go to the car, tap Phone, hit Connect Device. There it is, Pixel 7 Pro. Touch right there. This is going to ask me to pair on the phone, so I'll touch Pair. They're now connecting. Now, it's going to ask you, do you want to connect Android Auto? In the past, you had to download the Android Auto app. It was more difficult than the Apple phone. Well, now it's all seamlessly put together. Just touch Accept and Start. Wait a second here. It's going to ask for permission on the phone. Hit Allow. And there it is. This phone, using Android Auto, projected up onto the screen. That way you can stream your music, make phone calls, send text messages, even use a different navigation service if you want to. It's all right there on your phone. You have any questions, leave them in the comments section below, or visit us online at smailmercedes-benz.com, or stop by and see us on Route 30 in Greensburg.